Hello students, yesterday I discussed about find square root of this digit by long division method. Okay, now on the basis of this process there are some more questions. Second number question is exercise 3.5. okay, second number question is find the least number which must be subtracted from the following numbers to make them a perfect square. Okay, so here first is 2361. So firstly we paired it from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so here first pair is 23. So if we take 5, so square of 5 is 25, which is greater than 23. So here we take 4. Okay, so 4 4s are 16. We write here 16. When we subtract we get 7, and here also for 8 we add and write it little left. Okay, so 4 4 8. Now we write here second pair 61 after 7, so 761. Now if we multiply it by 8 we get 88 into 8 is equal to 740. If we multiplied it by 9, means 89 into 9. Okay, 9 9s are 81, 72 and 8 801, which is greater than 761. So we take here 8. Okay, so write here 8 and also write here. So 88 8 is a 704. When we subtract it we get 57, and here also 8 8 16, 8 and 1 9. Okay, now 57 is the remainder. Okay, the remainder is 57. Hence if we subtract 57 from this number we get a perfect square of 48. Okay, hence 57 must be subtracted from 2361 to get a perfect square, that is 48 square. Okay, now here question number 4, we paired it from RHS right hand side, right side. Okay, and from right side to left side. Now there is first digit is single, not paired, which is 1. If we multiply it by 1, so 1 1s are 1, it is subtracted. Here 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now here the first pair is 61. If we multiplied it by 3 we get 23, 3s are 69, which is greater than 61. So we take here 2, so we multiplied it by 2, so write here also 2 and here also. So 61, 22 2s are 44, the remainder is 17. Okay, and add 2 also, so 22 and 2 we get 24. Now here the third pair is 60, so write 60. Now if we take 7 we get 729. If we take unit digit 8, which is greater than 1760, so we take here 7. So 7's 247. When we multiply 247 by 7 we get 1729. Okay, and on subtracting we get 31 and add also 7, so it becomes 254, which is twice of 127. So this is your square. Okay, now the remainder is 31. Hence 31 must be subtracted from 16160 to get a perfect square, that is 127. 7. Okay. Now this is question number 3. Question is, find the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square. Okay, we know the greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Okay, by using long division method we paired it from right side to left side. Okay, we get 2 pair and 1 unpaired, so we take 3 because 3 3 is a 9, so here we subtracted, it is subtracted completely. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, here we take 9, first pair is 99. If we write here 1, if we multiplied it 1, so we write here 1. If we take 2, so here 62 2s are, which is 120, which is greater than 99, so we take here 1. Okay, so write here 1 and here also 61 the 61. If we subtract we get 38. Here also add 1, 61 plus 1 62. Now in this term we write here 30, we write here 6, and now 626 is multiplied by 6, so write here also 6, which is 3756. On subtraction we get 147, and here also we add 6. Okay, so 632 we had 316. Now the remainder is 143. So the greatest 5 digit perfect square number is, subtract this number from greatest 5 digit number. Okay, it comes 99,856. Okay, now question number 5. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Since we know that least 4 digit number is 1000. Okay, by using long division method we paired it. First pair is 00 and second pair is 10. So if we take 4 ja 16, which is greater than, so we take here 3 3 is 9, and here we also add 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Here the remainder is 1. After 1 we write the second pair, means 00. Now here we multiplied it by 1 because 61 1 is 61 and 60, if we take 2, so 62 2 is 124, which is greater than 100, so we take here 1. Okay, so here 1 and 1 subtraction we get 39. Here also add 1. Okay, the remainder is 39. Okay, since 31 square is less than 1000 because we get remainder, and 32 square is 1024, which is greater than 1000, and 31 and 32 both are consecutive number, means there are no square numbers between them. Therefore 1024 is the required least number 4 digit which is a perfect square. Okay, means 124 is a least 4 digit square number.